Greetings. Just here at the trailhead on the tailgate, getting ready to whip up a salad. And as you know, we like to do as much free foraging and sort of bushcrafting and getting free food whenever possible. And here we have a bounty for a salad. It's absolutely fabulous, and not a single one of them was anything endangered or special in any way. It's all weeds for the most part. Here we start out with, there's some old apple trees growing around here, so we grabbed one of those and diced it up. Of course, we have chicory growing like crazy, a little bit of protein in the flowers, and of course vitamins, minerals, nutrients in the leaves. And here we have Queen Anne's lace, or wild carrot, and this one had a little bit of a root attached, so we went ahead and diced that up. That'll add some crunch along with the apple, and of course the leaves of it, which are good for a parsley replacer. And so there's a little bit of herb sort of seasoning. And then we move over to dock, and this is curly dock, and that's going to have sort of a bitter, sort of green, maybe a little lemony or sour taste to it. And of course, as we've shown you, our lance leaf plantain, that's very nutritious as well, totally edible raw. And so here we have a wonderful salad all ready to go. The only thing that we brought to the table was just a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt and pepper. And so it's pretty much simple. We're just going to rip everything up and toss it straight in. Don't want anything too small, too big. Oh, one other thing hiding here was actually a few of the flower heads of the plantain. That'll be nice. Got some of those too. We're gonna throw those in. Get you in there. Everybody in the pool. And that little apple will be so nice in there. And it's just a simple little tiny salad. Nothing overly fancy. And that's just it. Just gonna toss it up a little bit. And of course the slightest little drizzle, just a little drizzle, a few little drips of olive, whoa, a little bit much there, a few drips of olive oil, a little pepper, always seasoned from a great height so that it all falls across. If you season from here, it's going to be in a puddle, so season from way up here, a little dash of salt, and that's that. Olive oil already tastes wonderful. And that's so simple. And this cost nothing but a few minutes of time. And it was actually kind of fun trying to get the apple off the tree. It was surrounded by a sea of blackberries, so we couldn't get right up to the tree. We had to use some rocks and sticks to knock an apple off. That was about the best one we could get. But this is so nutritious and so good. Lovely. Oh, there's sweetness, there's crunch, there's zing, the salt and the pepper, the olive oil. There's a vegetable bitterness to it, but it's balanced out by the sweetness. That is a really, really lovely thing. And you too can do this. Cost you nothing. Keep you nice and healthy. And, people pay quite a bit of money for this much salad out of the store when you can literally park at a trailhead or a parking lot somewhere. Make sure you're not where cars are dripping their oil. You don't want any residue of that in your salad. But otherwise, boom. Instant salad. 10 minutes of work maybe. And it tastes good. It's very good for you. Didn't have to spend a cent. And that is fabulous. I think it's time to get down to eating this. Oh, that's too good. That apple really makes it. The apple, that's the ticket right there. If you can find wild apples, oh man, lovely. But thank you so much for joining us here to take a look at how we like to bushcraft free, tasty, nutritious salad out here at just about any parking lot or trailhead you can imagine.